And away we go. All right. Blue and red about even. Here comes blue with some more fuel. Here comes red human players with some more fuel. Close. Here we go. Looks like blue is up by 2. It's going to switch over to the red active hub. Here we go. Red Alliance hub is now active. Woo! That was pretty awesome. Robonauts grabbing some fuel right from the depot. And now switching over to the blue active hub. TrikzR4kidz looking for a barrage of fuel. Here they go. Very nice projectile motion. Coming back into the neutral zone, looking for more. And switching over to the red alliance. Robonauts right on cue. As soon as it turns active, they're shooting. They have that double turret system on their robot. Switching back over to the blue alliance. TrikzR4kidz gathering fuel, trying to get another set of fuel. There they go. Oh no, they're on the bump. Meanwhile, red alliance active. That's the whistle for the last 30 seconds of the match. 42.95 is up on level 2, it looks like. Here comes Robonauts. It's going to be the first double climb that we see today. And there they are, level 3, level 2. They'll be getting that bonus. You monkey. Alliance winning that match. 165 to 49. And they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 RP. Robonauts is now